Coachman VIP 520. 4-berth caravan. Shipping length, 23.92 feet. Internal length, 18.08 feet. Width, 7.35 feet. Weight, 1,395 kilograms. Pause for a minute. The VIP range is, and has always been, designed to appeal to those whose tastes err on the side of tradition. Comes with a motor mover for easy maneuvering. And of course it has alloy wheels. Plenty of storage and locker space. Comes with outside shower point for rinsing off those sandy feet. It's another example of the many features that distinguish Coachman models as refined, elegant, craftsman-built caravans. The 524's two-seater side dining area that, by night, gives you a single bed with a bunk above, ensures its appeal both to families and couples. Importantly, there's no compromise on mattress depth here. The upholstery in the dining area is full depth, rather than folding out to give you a half-thickness mattresses suitable for children, so everyone enjoys the same standard of comfort, large and small. Thetford 4-burner hob, a top gleaming black and steel oven and grill, reasonable-sized central cupboard, and drawer, Thetford fridge with grey bow front. Fixed drainer, enough work surface curving forwards over the fridge to make the best use of every centimetre. Above the hob, the microwave hides behind a cream door. Push the centre and the door rises automatically on an ever-so-smooth gas-filled strut. The extractor fan is a welcome practicality. There's a big wardrobe, with a full-length hanging rail that continues into a 3-shelf area to the right. Beneath are 2 enormous drawers. Then you have 3 shelves, the expected cupboard under the wash basin, and the unexpected huge, long mirror that reaches from basin to ceiling. One unique Coachman feature that's hidden from view is the easy access to the rear of the Truma heater. This VIP's television top, which separates the lounge from the side dining area, hinges up to reveal the whole of the back of the heater when you pull out the drawer. If you're a couple who value that shower time splendor and would enjoy the luxury of a permanent 2-seater dining area, the VIP's versatile layout is the icing on the cake.